Hello? Yeah, I'll be there in the next 30 minutes, please. Just 30 minutes. 30 minutes now. Okay. Somebody's son go find me one day. One day. On the way, don't stay too far away. Somebody's son go find me.
Philly. Sorry. Is this swelling?
It has reduced a little.
You should be more careful. It's because of all this organic cream that you are buying.
I'm not using any organic cream. Is it not just this my cream that I'm using? I don't even know what really happened to this. My body is all swollen and I'm having rashes all over my body.
Your fine skin, your precious skin. Still, you should stop using organic cream.
I'm not using any organic cream. I'm sick. I don't know what happened today.
You are denying. I should not say you are denying it. You know all this organic cream, those girls that are producing it, they failed chemistry in school. They will now come and be mixing different chemicals and give it, they sell it out to you girls, so you will be buying it and having different skin.
Any organic cream. I don't even know what really happened today. I'm just so grateful that I won't be able to represent Uncle in the meeting again.
That's true. You cannot go. But I can go.
You go for me.
I will go, if not for you.
Thank you.
I will go.
Let me call Uncle and tell him.
Call him. Tell him that you cannot go again, that I will go.
Hello, Uncle. Yes, Uncle, I'm not fine.
She's not fine.
Uncle, I don't know what happened though. All of a sudden, my body was just scratching me. And everywhere is swollen and reddish.
Yes, even your neck,
my neck,
your face,
and my face,
and all your hand, everywhere.
Yes. So Uncle, I asked Isaac to go represent me. Okay, you should go. Okay, you're feeling the try his best.
I will not disappoint.
Okay, Uncle. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Okay. Bye. Isaac, Uncle said you should go back. Please, you should not disappoint him.
I will not disappoint. After all, I didn't disappoint you when I put something in your cream so that all these things will happen.
Isaac! What did he say?
See, let me tell you, Felicia. I am the boy of this house now. I can't be around and you will be representing Oku in his business. You are a girl. Me, I am the only surviving boy of our great-grandfather.
Isaac, so you did this to me?
It's just small. It will scratch you from now till tomorrow, just 2 days.
Isaac, what if I died in the process?
You cannot die. I didn't put too much. I didn't put too much. Just from now till tomorrow.
Isaac, shut up and get out of my room, please. Get out. You regret this thing that you just did, Isaac. I'll tell Uncle for you.
No, I might regret it, but I am going to the meeting.
Just get out, Isaac. You regret this. Get out of my...
I will go.
Get out!
To the meeting, Abby.
Isaac, get out!
Let me go.
Get out! Get out!
Nature were unable to arrange things for me. So I arranged things for myself. It was good, I mean.
Get out of my room. Get out of my room. Get out! Get out of my room!
Sorry.
Rubbish.
I will represent very well in the meeting.
That represents you there.
It's a lie.
How you destroyed my room. What did I go out again? Jesus. Oh, like my boyfriend because you. I did ask you.